guys, do you want to learn how to make your own under eye cream? Do you want to remove dark circles? Or do you want to get rid of puffiness underneath your eyes? If so, then please keep on watching. So join me and let's make this cream really quick. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm not gonna be using the whole thing because I'm just trying to make like one single jar just for me to use really quick and all of that. So I'm gonna be cutting it into smaller pieces. Just want a little bit of juice. Okay, I'm gonna be keeping the rest for another project. So I'm gonna be cutting this or chopping this up in small pieces. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of aloe vera juice in this. I don't know why I'm so far away. I'm gonna be adding a little bit just to make the blending process easy, and I really do love aloe vera, so yep. Okay, let's go blend. So this is the juice. I'm just gonna be straining it in here like so. I just want a little bit of juice, but from the look of things, I think I got a whole glass full. I'm not mad at it. I might make something else out of it. So yep, it's a lot of juice. Cucumber has a lot of water already, so but I'm liking it. Okay, I am not mad at it at all. A lot of juice, and I still added some aloe vera juice as well, so I'm not gonna be using much of this juice. So what I'm gonna do, I believe my next video might be like a cucumber toner. And by the way, this cream is a nighttime cream, okay? No questions on it. So this is a night cream, if you was wondering. I just feel like drinking this. But anyway, okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my light on because I just feel like the video isn't as bright as I wanted to, so let me put my light on really quick and just start the process. We have our cucumber juice. I'm gonna be using some aloe vera gel, some rosemary essential oil, and some peppermint oil. And I'm gonna be adding some tea tree oil. The name has erased and I'm still working with it, so that's how much it's been loved. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna be adding a spoonful of aloe vera gel. Okay, I already got some in there. All right, I'm gonna be doing that. Then the next thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking maybe a 2 teaspoonfuls let's go. Okay, so before I get the mixing going and all that 100%, I'm going to be adding 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. This is a single batch that I'm trying to make, and 1 drop of peppermint oil. Oh, 2, I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna be adding maybe 2 drops of tea tree oil. Exact 2 drops. I didn't go overboard, y'all. I'm trying to be exact. It is smelling so good. So good, you guys. See? It has formulated already. Oh. The smell, man. I might just make a face toner and stuff. Okay, I think this is enough. Like so, this much. I just love the color. It's so pleasing and satisfying. Okay, let's mix. Like if you like a thicker consistency for your face cream and your eye cream, you can just add more aloe vera just to give you that thickness that you want and all of that. But as for me, I'm a lightweight girl. Lightweight. Okay? So I'm gonna be adding another spoon. It's time to package. I cannot wait to use this product. I'm gonna be using my little itty bitty jar. I'm gonna put this to the side and put this right here. I need y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna start filling it. As you can see, it's a beautiful consistency. It is pretty bouncy, like so. Can you see how thick it looks? I'm gonna try it right on my hand, like so, just so you see how thick it is. It smells so divine. Like when it dries down, like it dries like you never put anything on. That's what I love about this consistency. It is so nice. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Bye-bye. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. Shoes off, you don't have to hide it.